Good afternoon, fellow DIYers and fellow YouTubers. This is going to be a really short video. I want to show you guys what you can do if you have gutters that need to be cleaned. However, you don't want to go up on a ladder. This is a tool that I put together. Basically, I bought some extensions from Home Depot for my, excuse me guys, for my wet dry vac. And as you can see, it's extended. I'll stand back so you can see how tall my house is on this end. And what I'm doing here is cleaning out that downspout. Now, I've already done most of the gutters with this tool, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like, and it does work. Now you'll see that the pieces are taped together. I just did that to give it a little more strength. And I'm gonna turn this on so you guys can see what happens. Now, basically, from the ground, I can move this around to wherever I need it to go. See if I can pan up. And I can still hear that there's still debris in this gutter, so I can keep this up here for a while. But this was an area where I was getting a lot of stuff coming out now. The end piece is really just, I went to the plumbing department and found some end pieces and made myself a little hook for the end. And this is what I'm doing. So I just wanted to show you guys that it can be done. Didn't cost me much. And whenever I want to clean my gutters, I can do it, and I can do it without getting up on a ladder. So that's it for today. Just wanted to share this with you. And I hope you're having a good day. I'll see you in the next video.